dreams of entrepreneurs. Will the dragons be impressed? Will these entrepreneurs succeed in their attempt to gain the dragons' investment? Will their dreams come true by making the deal of a lifetime? The first group has an exciting product that just might make brewing a pot of tea a little more interesting.
Hello, dragons. Still trying to have delicious comforting cup of tea, but right now we're waiting for the tea to brew. Well, our invention is right for your introduction, the iPod.
The iPod is a revolutionary product that will combine the joy of music with the comfort of a pot of tea.
Simply brew your tea, hot and before you and enjoy your favorite music. The iPod is waterproof, yeast-resistant, and easy to use. We seek your investment to help bring the iPod to the wider market. Join us as we revolutionize tea brewing.
What was your revenue since you started selling the iPod? Revenue is the total amount of income from selling a product or service.
We sell iPods for 2,000 baht each, and our revenue was 200,000 baht last quarter.
I think this is a product that will make waves for tea drinkers. I give you my investment for 50% ownership of your company.
Success for the iPods. Next group of entrepreneurs has an interesting choice on drinking cups. Will this be enough to gain the dragons' investment?
Hello, dragons. We seek your investment to help expand our business and give more people the amazing experience of the consumable cup. The consumable cup is a fun, delicious way to enjoy your favorite drinks for adults and children alike. It uses the latest food science technology to create a flexible, leak-proof cup that is enjoyable to eat too. The consumable cup comes in many flavors, ranging from more adult flavors like mocha to child-friendly flavors like bubblegum, chocolate splash, and macadamia. It's also nutritious and contains many essential vitamins and minerals, and is low calorie too. Help us encourage more people to stay hydrated and healthy with the consumable cup.
Okay, I'm interested. But what is the production cost of each cup? Production cost is important to track a business and how much they spend making their product.
We spend only 20 baht making each cup and sell them in packs of 6. Our production costs are low.
I will give you an investment of 260,000 baht and want 60% ownership.
We could offer you 40% ownership and you could invest 200,000.
Deal. Success for the consumable cup. Next, a group of tech wizard has a special twist on the toaster.
Hello, dragons. Our product makes toast even more enjoyable. Meet the toast pad.
This is a love toast. I'm sure you'll enjoy us. I love toast money, milk and eggs. Well, the toast pad takes this to another level.
We have created a device that allows you to enjoy the interactive entertainment of a tablet with the deliciousness of making toast. We are asking for 400,000 baht in return for 45% ownership of our company. We look forward to hearing your thoughts.
I'm interested. What comes with each of these? Profit is the difference between cost and selling price. It is how a business makes money and grows.
We sell each toast pad for 4,000 baht, but we can lose each for 1,500. So we make a profit of 2,500 baht for each toast pad.
I like your idea and creativity, but I want more ownership. I will give you 200,000 baht if you want, but I want 50% ownership.
Deal! Oh, come on.
Success for all fellow entrepreneurs, but who would you invest in? Talk to your classmates and teacher now and tell us which product you would invest in. The iPod, the consumable cup, or the toast pad. The consumable cup wins.